Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we gonna cook menemen. The whole cooking process will take you approximately 25 minutes and in the outcome you will get delicious breakfast for 2 people. For this recipe you will need 2 chopped bell peppers, 3 peeled and chopped beefsteak tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 chopped jalapeno pepper, 2 eggs. Pour the olive oil into the skillet and add jalapeno pepper with bell peppers. Roast peppers for 3 minutes, then stir well. Add tomatoes and cook the mixture for 3 more minutes. Gently mash the mixture in a skillet with a fork and cook on low heat for 4 minutes more. Crack the eggs into the mixture and whisk the ingredients well until everything is homogeneous. Cook the meal for an additional 4 minutes. Menemen is traditionally served in a vessel. You cooked it with some fresh Turkish bread. Enjoy your breakfast. Thank you for watching our video. If you enjoyed our recipe, like this video, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe, so you can catch up with our latest updates. This and many other recipes you will find in a book, Mediterranean Diet Cookbook for Beginners. The link to the book is in description to the video. Buy this book now for yourself or as a gift.